Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do travelling accordion turns. Now, knowing how to do an accordion already would be really helpful, and being at least relatively familiar with moves with a bit of footwork in, it will be helpful as well. But apart from that, you'll be ready to go. I'll put links in the description below so it's easy for you to go back and find those bits and pieces if you want to recap them. And it's just there so it's easy for you to get to it quickly. Okay, so this could be done in a straight line. This could be done up and back. Because of the space we've got, we're going to do it up and back so you can see the action. But obviously you could do this down the whole length of a dance floor by just repeating it. It looks like this. Go 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. So let's break it down. It feels a little bit initially like you're doing the first piece in an accordion, because in a normal accordion you're switching sides. So you go one way and then you go the other way and it's shared between the two of you. What we're going to do is something that feels a lot like the first part to get the lady started. So we go back, we offer the hand, standard entrance to an accordion, guys are out of the way to the left, we bring the lady through. So there's the first piece of the accordion. But what we're going to do now is we're going to do the second piece of the accordion, but instead of bringing the lady back this way, we're going to continue down the line to do the second piece of the accordion. And because I'm coming back, I have to change sides. If I wasn't coming back, I'd stay this side and I could bring the lady through again and carry on down the line. But because I'm coming back, I need to switch sides. So now it's the same as the first piece. Bring the lady through and now send her through for the second one. And again, I'm going to switch sides again. If I was carrying on down the line, I wouldn't need to. And I'm just going to do a travelling return ending, which could have been a third pass if I'd wanted it to be. So we're there. Same thing from the other side. And you'll get the other view. So we go semicircle back, offer the hand. 1, bringing the lady through. 2, and look 3. So that's the return direction. Then we carry on the lady down the line for 4, switching sides and look 5. Bring the lady back, 6, and look 7, carry on down the line, 8, switch sides 1, travelling return 2, and finish on 3. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's do it. Here we go. Accordion, travelling turns. 5, 6, accordion, travelling turns. We go a back, return, look, turn, look, return, look, turn, look, return, and back. And that is the whole thing. Hope you find that useful. Hope you enjoy it out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move. Subscribe promotes the channel. So big thank you to everyone who does that. And hitting the notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, providing you have notifications on your account turned on. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.